plant chicks. And guess what? It's back! The vegan bundle is back. And it's bigger and better than ever. So remember last time we had 60 ebooks for 50 bucks? Well, we kind of added 30 more ebooks. Now it's 90 ebooks for $50. Same price, but you get an additional 30 more ebooks. And guess who else is going to be in these new ebooks? Okay, same ones as last time, and an additional Johnny Juicer, the Tasty K, coconut bowls, vegan what? I mean, the list is endless. I will put the list below. I mean, this is huge. Where can you get 90 ebooks for $50? This value is just insane crazy. It's a $2,000 value, and you're getting each ebook for 55 cents. Like, that's crazy, crazy, crazy. That's just nuts to me. But we're super excited because it's eco-friendly. You're gonna put everything on your smartphone or your iPad and put the 90 books in here. Just think if you bought 90 cookbooks or 90 books, which I still love a physical book, don't get me wrong, but 90 books, that's a lot of books, right? But to put it all on here, it will take you over a year to read all these books and go through it. Literally, you'll be stockpiled in plant-based and vegan everything. So what does the vegan bundle have? It has over 3,000 recipes, has workouts, we have vegan weddings, vegan toddlers and babies, intuitive eating, the crock pot, the instant pot recipes. There are so many recipes, a little something for everybody. You have everything from whole food, plant-based, no oil, all the way to some vegan comfort junk food. So something for everybody again. And it's just not about food, it's about meditation and mindset and intuitive eating. So if you're really looking just to amp up, add more plants to your life, then don't delay and get the vegan bundle today. It's only available for 5 days. It ends this Friday. So the offer's here. We told you about it. Don't be like, I missed out. We had a lot of people say that. That's why we brought it back. We are not bringing it back. So please, get your vegan bundle today.